Hi everyone, here at the Edge Powersports. Everyone's pretty familiar with the legendary SV650. I actually thought that it was being discontinued, but we've still got it around. Now, I had the chance to actually introduce and talk to you about the GSX 8S. You know, if you want something that's a little more traditional, not quite that super sharp, edgy look, and a little more straight rate, a little less flare, just frills on the bike, and it's just gonna be a little less to deal with. Just this nice straight rate bike, hop on it, go out and rip around. You don't have to worry about over electronics or anything like that. Still has all the standard affair, ABS is a standard setup on it. 650, 90-degree twin, so a lot of punch to it. This is something that I definitely recommend for any type of rider. If you're getting into the sport, or if you've had bikes and want to get something a little lighter, maybe a nice little commuter, or I've even seen these bikes toured out to where you can take them across country. These are no slouch. This is one of the bikes that you'll see on the track quite a bit. It's a very versatile bike. Legendary SV650, you can't go wrong with it. So someone you want to check out, come and see us at the Edge Powersports. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.